Quality time music.
Two others right. The war everywhere and the world is shock. When I'm looking around the world, I see war everywhere. I see children and women are dying. I see the cripple are dying. I see blind people are suffering and dying. Who gonna hold my hands as a blind man in the war? Who gonna push my wheelchair as a crippled man in the war? Who's gonna tell me as a children in the war? War everywhere. When I'm climbing Mount Kilimanjaro, when I'm sending there and view Africa, I view the war. Yes, is the fire, yes, is the blood, yes, is the fight, yes, is the war. When I'm climbing Mount Kilimanjaro, when I'm sending there and view Africa, I view the war. Yes, is the blood, yes, is the fight, yes, is the fire, yes, is the war. I wish go there in Somalia and go tell them it was some the war. But in Nashindwa say no way. I will send him a voice all over the world to storm the war. I will send him a voice all over the world to storm the war. I wish go there in Somalia, go tell them to storm the war. Nobody in Nashindwa say no way. I will send him a voice all over the world to stop the war. I will send him a voice all over the world to stop the war. Somalia, put weapon down, sit down and negotiate to save the life of children, to save the life of innocent people. Sit down and negotiate to build the nation of Somalia. Sit down and negotiate to build the future of nation of Somalia, to build the future of the nation of Somalia. Somalia, you're the same father, same nation, same color, same bloody, same father, different mother. Put weapon down. I wish go there in Somalia, go tell them to storm the war. Nobody in Nashindwa say no way. I will send him a voice all over the world to stop the war. I will send him a voice all over the world to stop the war. Sicilia for today. People they make Syria to be a stage of the war. See Libya for today. People they make Libya to be a stage of the war. NATO, put your weapon down and save the life of Syrian people. Save the life of innocent people. To save the life of people and children. To save the life of future of children. I remember that in 1973, the time you come my home at Bagamoyo, at Asuba College, you meet with my grandmother. My grandmother take you to our school at Kaole and Mangesan Primary School. Daddy, remember what you told us, what you promised us, Daddy. You told us, Daddy, we must learn from you. You'll be example, we must learn from you. Daddy, remember you promised us. You say you're going to be a good leader of the world. You're going to be a good leader of Russia. You're going to be a good leader of Soviet. Daddy, remember, there is innocent people are dying. Daddy, please put your weapon down. Sit down and negotiate to save the life of Russian people, to save the life of Ukraine people, to save the life of innocent people. Daddy, put your weapon down. Remember your promise. You told us, Daddy, we must learn from you. Remember, you was with Emerson Mnangagwa, Charles Kalov. Remember, Samora Machel behind the Julius Nyerere. Daddy, what you promise us, Daddy? Please put your weapon down and save the life of people and children, women and children. NATO, put your weapon down to save the life of innocent people, to save the life of Russian people, to save the life of cripple, to save the life of Ukraine people. We burn down. Sit down and negotiate to save the life of children. Put your weapon down. Sit down and negotiate to save the life of innocent people. Put your weapon down. I wish go there in Syria, go tell them to someday war, but in a shame I say no way. Put your weapon down. Sit down and negotiate to save the life of children. Put your weapon down. Everybody, put your weapon down. Sit down and negotiate to save the life of children. Put your weapon down. Nato, put your weapon down. Russia, put your weapon down.